What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka Too Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, we're actually going to be hanging out with the homies. Gonna be linking up with Angelo, Brandon, and Ryan. How you doing? So we're gonna go to Angelo's house and basically gonna chill. We don't really have any objectives. I think pretty much maybe wash up the cars. We might head over to a meet together. I'm not sure yet, 100%, but either way, it'll be cool hanging out with the homies again. I do have a couple things that need to be installed, and I think about it, but I don't know if we're really gonna get into that or not. Might save that for another time, but who knows? We'll see when we get there. Here we are, parked over here. Don't really like parking over here, but the car definitely looks pretty good, no matter where it's at. Looks like it is getting a bit dirty already. Just washed it, already super dirty. Definitely need a garage ASAP. Alright, so we here. Homie Brandon just pulled up. Angelo parked in the car in our garage. Just waiting on Ryan. Haven't seen Chanel in a while. Make sure to follow him. We need to get his YouTube on there as well, because he's on YouTube. I'll throw a link to his channel and YouTube down below. Definitely follow the homie Angelo. He got a YouTube channel as well. We might be recording for the podcast that he has as well. Not sure yet, but I'll put that down below. Alright, look who showed up. Sitting pretty good. I might have to double check with him, but I believe he went back to the Lawrence Springs, and the fitment is still pretty good. So I think he's definitely done a good job. He said the way it rides is pretty good, so. Alright, so yeah, we didn't really do nothing. It's kind of how I thought. Like, we just chilling, talking, hanging out. So no, didn't even wash the cars or nothing. Just chilling. But we are working on trying to get some meets together. So definitely stay tuned, because I will be posting up. We are going to be doing Ultima Maxima meet. We're probably going to do a Nissan Infinity meet again. That'll be coming soon. But the last time we had mostly Ultimas and Maximas, and so every time you had somebody else who showed up with something else, they were pretty much like, oh, it's just Ultimas and Maximas, and they left. So I don't know exactly how we're going to do this just yet. I do have a bunch of homies with the Q50 as well as the 370, so I'm gonna see if I can get them on board, and then we'll kind of go from there. But yeah, I think I might do a couple more things. I don't know yet, so I might pick up the camera again here pretty soon. Alright, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. Not sure how long it's actually gonna be, but yeah, we about to get up out of here. Sounds pretty good. Does not sound like a V6. But yeah, before we do that, the comment of the day goes out to, and if you want to be selected for comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment down below, and who knows, it could happen. But I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.